In this Nexo review, we're going over the Nexo platform, Nexo coin, earning interest with your cryptocurrency, taking out loans, and earning dividends. Now, there's a lot to this, but Nexo might be a platform you're interested in if you are in the crypto space. Now, everything with crypto is still very new, so there's always risk. These companies have not been around very long. Nexo has been around for about 3 years now, I guess since 2018. That's why we'll also go over how safe is Nexo, how much I trust them, how much I'm investing with them, and how does Nexo work. So yeah, let's just get started. And if you're new to this channel, this is Full Value Dan, where we get full value for everything. I am invested in cryptocurrency and in Nexo coin just because I thought the project had some legs to it. Now, the Nexo coin price has actually jumped up a lot this year. I was in it since 8 cents to 12 cents in that range, and now it's over 50 cents. So that's pretty good. I'm starting to sell off some of my coins because I don't want too much Nexo, because Nexo coins are only good for the Nexo platform. They have no other function. They are great for earning additional interest, but I would prefer to have more of the legacy coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, rather than high risky platform tokens, because they can really pump and dump really quickly. So even though there's a lot of upside, there's also a lot of downside to holding platform tokens. With Nexo, you can get instant crypto-backed loans. Basically, to get a loan from Nexo, you're going to have to put up collateral. This collateral can be in the form of stable coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, pretty much any coin that they support, and they're already providing you interest on. So with the loan system, you get about 25 to 30% of whatever the collateral value of your assets are. So if you have $1,000 worth of cryptocurrency in your account, you're eligible for $250 to $300. And if you want to take out a loan, it's pretty instant. If you take out a stable coin, you're eligible for a loan for as little as $10. And if you need actual cash for a bank transfer, you're going to need to take out a loan of a minimum of $500. Now, comparing this with BlockFi, BlockFi has a $5,000 loan minimum. So Nexo is an excellent alternative at really good rates. Now, the loan rates for Nexo are 5.9% if you're a Nexo token holder, like you're taking out loans against all your Nexo tokens, or 11.9% for everything else. So that loan rate is very good. Now, if you're a person like me who likes to get full value, you've probably seen an opportunity here where loans can be as low as 5.9% and stablecoin interest can be as high as 12%. Well, I tried this. I took out a Nexo loan in Tether or USD coin, either one, doesn't matter, because both are stable coins which earn you interest. So I took out a 5.9% loan, and then I staked those coins back into my Nexo wallet for 12% in interest, which makes me 6.1% in the difference. So overall, gonna net 6.1%. Now, I did this for a few weeks and then I got out. I did make a little bit of money, but it was way too risky and I did not want to over leverage myself, because if your loan to collateral value drops too much, Nexo's gonna sell your coins to cover the loan. And I don't want that to happen just to earn 6.1%, because at the time, Nexo coin was fluctuating a lot between 12 cents to 8 cents. And if you bought at 12, it goes down to 8, you lost a third of your value trying to earn 6%. So I did not want to overcommit myself to that type of situation. Now, with cryptocurrency, 6% is not a lot. A 6% change can happen in a day. It can happen in an hour. So 6% over the course of a year, you probably won't really notice. So I wouldn't try to overinvest in crypto, recommend diversifying those assets, but I'm not a financial advisor. You do whatever you want. Nexo dividends. Now, I messed up. I should have been eligible for a Nexo dividend in 2019, but I messed up because Nexo was still pretty new at the time. It was their first dividend offering, and not a lot of people knew how it works. And Nexo gave very bad instructions. So to be eligible for a Nexo dividend, you're going to have to stake Nexo tokens in your Nexo wallet. Now, The other thing that you really need to know is you need to do advanced verification on your account. Basically, they need to know who you are, and you're going to have to provide documents about your identity. And that's how you become eligible for the Nexo dividend. Now, this was a total burn on me because I set up my account, I did basic verification, I didn't do advanced, and I didn't get the Nexo dividend. Now, I did get the Nexo dividend in 2020. They seem to have done it twice now, both in the summer. So 2019 in the summer, 2020 in the summer, probably 2021 they'll do it in the summer again. Now, they haven't announced when they'll do it. Last time they announced the dividend maybe 2 or 3 months before they actually did it. So speculatively, we can expect a dividend in the summer. Now, I had $4,000 worth of Nexo tokens at the time, and I was holding it for almost an entire year in my account. And when dividend time came around, I got $800 in Bitcoin, which was very generous. That's a 20% gain in what I already had. And they didn't pay me out in Nexo coins. They paid me out in Bitcoin, which I prefer because Bitcoin went up a lot this year, and overall it worked out pretty well. Well, Nexo did too, but I always feel more comfortable having Bitcoin rather than platform tokens. And by platform tokens, I mean things like Nexo Coin, Binance Coin, Celsius token, the crypto CRO coin. Those are very risky. They can be risky, so I really prefer having a token that is one of the legacy coins that everyone uses. Now, with the dividend, there's 2 different earning rates. There's an earning rate based on the amount of Nexo tokens you hold, and another dividend based on how long you've been holding them. So you could really stack this up pretty well. They say they give about 30% in interest back to their Nexo customers based on how much they've profited, which is great because I like what they're doing. But it also makes me wonder, it's like, how long can this keep going and how risky it is? So I have been trying to limit my risk with Nexo, like with any kind of crypto platform. You never want to go all in on one thing. You want to diversify and you want to make sure your assets are safe. So do I think Nexo is safe? Yeah, I think it's pretty safe. It's a Bulgarian company. It's a startup. They are regulated in the EU. I couldn't find any documents supporting their regulation or who really supports them or backs them, but a lot of it looks pretty good. That's why, for my safety score, I would give them 4 stars out of 5. For BlockFi, I would give them 5 out of 5. Nexo might be risky. Everything looks legit. Nexo's not overreaching. They're not really over-incentivizing people to come onto their platform. In fact, at the moment right now, there's not even a sign-up or affiliate bonus. So I don't think a lot of people are talking about them because there's no incentive to talk about them. For me, I'm just providing you full value. And with that, if you could help me with that, okay, thank you. Because yeah, that helps me out, and I'm not really getting anything from this video rather than sharing my experience using Nexo. And I have been using them for over 2 years now, and I expect another dividend in the summer since I'm still holding their tokens. How to earn interest with Nexo. Now, with Nexo, interest earning is instant and you are paid out daily. So they have different earning rates based on what you are staking. The base rate is 5% for all cryptocurrencies and 8% for stablecoins. So if you put Bitcoin in, you'll be getting 5% interest annually, but the interest is paid out daily. So you'll get a small amount of your investment back daily. Now, if you want to earn 6% or more, you're going to have Nexo tokens. Now, interest can actually go up to 8% for these coins, but instead of being paid out in the same type of coin, you'd be paid out in Nexo tokens. You are paid out in kind or in Nexo token. So if you're paid out in kind, you just earn that exact same coin. You have Bitcoin, you earn interest in Bitcoin. You have Litecoin, you earn interest in Litecoin. If you choose to get paid out in interest with Nexo tokens, you're going to make 2% more, but at the same time, Nexo coin or any type of platform token like this is very volatile, and my personal preference is go with the safe and steady way because the volatility is a lot lower when it comes to, let's say, a stable coin or even Bitcoin. Because even Bitcoin is more stable than a platform token, which can fluctuate like 25% in a day because they have a very small market cap. Now, speaking of market caps, we can compare Nexo to some of its competitors like Celsius Network or Crypto.com. And Nexo is one of the smallest ones at the moment. So there is room for them to grow, but it's all speculation and potentially a lot of risk. Things can go up quick, things can go down quick. So be very careful, be cautious, diversify, and try to have a good time. And to get these Nexo tokens, you can buy them directly from Nexo or through another exchange. Now, I recommend buying Nexo tokens from Nexo directly if you are buying a small amount, let's say less than $100, maybe less than $500, because it's going to save you a lot on fees. If you're going to buy and sell a lot of Nexo, let's say more than $500 or over $1,000, I would recommend using an exchange. I use Hotbit, and Hotbit has a 31 Nexo withdrawal fee. So at the moment, that's around $17. Now, $17 to withdraw my assets is a lot of money, unless you're talking about a large amount. And with CoinMarketCap, they show the markets that are available for Nexo versus BTC or USDT and where you can buy these coins. So they're going to have a list of exchanges. You're going to want to use any exchange that's available to you with a lot of volume. Because if there's a lot of volume, there's more liquidity, there's more people buying, there's more people selling, and you'll very likely get a good price. And CoinMarketCap shows the up-to-date pricing of where the coin is being sold and for how much. There are restrictions for all these exchanges. They're not available to all US residents like Wobi. I can't use that as a US resident, so I use Hotbit. Now, Hotbit I can use, and I haven't had to verify my account, so all good there. When comparing safety between BlockFi and Nexo, I trust BlockFi more because they are backed by a lot of big companies in the space, so they're not going to just disappear. Is it possible that Nexo might disappear? It's hard to tell. The company's been around for several years, but there's always risk in cryptocurrency. I'm a very pessimistic person, and I really want my money safe because I don't like losing money. I've been burned several times before in really bad crypto projects and other YouTubers recommending really crappy coins just to make a buck off their viewers. So be careful whenever you watch any kind of crypto YouTube and try to be very pessimistic so you can see a different angle rather than like, oh, everything is positive. So I hope you've learned that from this video and hit that like button. Nexo is also coming out with a Nexo credit card, which I'm looking forward to. So if we're still comparing Nexo and BlockFi, BlockFi is coming out with a credit card that provides you 1.5% cash back with a $300 annual fee. Nexo offers you a credit card with no annual fee, and you get 2% cash back. So obviously I'm going to go towards Nexo when it comes to the future of crypto credit cards. Right now there are no crypto credit cards available, but there are wait lists. So I'm on the waiting list for BlockFi and Nexo. And if you'd like to get on the Nexo wait list, I have a link which actually boosts me up to get that credit card faster if you use that link. But there is no referral bonus, there is no sign up bonus. It's just for the Nexo waitlist. Signing up for Nexo. Sign up is pretty easy, but you're going to want to have your advanced verification set up immediately. Because once you have advanced verification set up on your Nexo account, you will be eligible for dividends. Now, dividends are paid out once a year and typically in the summer. If you don't do advanced verification, you won't be eligible and they'll skip over you and you'll have to wait another year like what happened to me, and that was a total bummer. So make sure you do that. At the moment of making this video, and at least for the past 2 or 3 years since Nexo is open, there has been no Nexo sign-up bonus. So maybe a lot of people aren't talking about Nexo because, yeah, there's no sign-up bonus if you don't use the Nexo platform token, their earning rates are lower than BlockFi. And BlockFi has a sign-up bonus and a higher earning rate without having to buy any additional coins. For earning interest right now, my money is in both BlockFi and Nexo. A lot in Nexo right now in December 2020 as I'm making this video because BlockFi is offering triple interest in December. Now, when you withdraw your coins from BlockFi, there are no fees. They cover all the gas fees, so if you need your money, you're not paying any money to get it out. That is an excellent service. I'm really glad they provide that, because if you need money, you can just take it out. Otherwise, you could always take out a Nexo loan. And I think that answers all your Nexo questions in this Nexo review. Let me know in the comments if you have any more, and maybe I can make another future video if there's a lot. I hope you got your full value for today. Until next time, this has been Full Value Dan.